Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So we are back with another C++ video. Like you all know that previously we have started the new series of data structure algorithm, and I hope you understand that all videos which we have just covered up yet. And we are also doing some of the C++ videos, like you all know that, tutorial videos and projects videos as well. So today in this video we'll be covering up a tutorial video in C++, and in this video I will be telling you what are constants, manipulator and operator precedence in C++ from start. So this will be a really different video in which you will be learning three things in only one video, and it will be really helpful video for you as well if you want to learn things about C++ from start. So if you want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe on this channel and hit notification bell as well. From that you can see my all the coming up videos, and you will be also getting the notification of the videos which I will be uploading on this channel. And if you learn things from this video, if you enjoy this video as well, so remember to hit a like and share this video with more people so they can learn about these amazing things using C++ and different languages which I've covered upon this channel. So just now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started with our amazing tutorial video of C++ from start. So now here we are on our computer screen, and here we will be seeing that how we can just start with C++ tutorial videos of constant, manipulator and operator precedence. So now we have to just start with that. So for starting with our amazing video of C++, we have to create a file of C++ as well. So now I will be just moving to file and I will be pressing new file here. After pressing new file, I will be giving the file name, and the file name which I will be giving as constant.cpp. Like you all know that when we have to give the file name, so we have to write .cpp in the end to save the file as C++ format. So I will be writing .cpp and I will be saving my file on desktop, and if you're beginner, I'll be prefer you to save your file on desktop as well. Now this file already exists, so I'll be pressing yes to just put the file on the previous file which we were getting, and now you can just see this file has been created successfully. We have to start with our codes which we will be writing to work with constants, manipulator and operator precedence. So first of all, we'll be understanding that what are constants in C++. But before starting with that, I have to write the starting codes of C++, and like you all know that what are the starting codes. In previous videos we have also learned about that. Like first of all, you have to write #iostream, then you have to write main IP, which is another starting code of C++, and now here we have to write using namespace std, and in the end we will be using init main function to write all the body function in this tag. So now we have to just start with our constant. So first of all, the first you can say a string value we will be writing will be as 34, and it is a constant which we are starting first of all. And now here in the constant we have written the value, means in this string I have written the value of 34, which is an integer value, and we will be starting with count, and in count I will be writing the value of was, and then here I will be closing this count function here. Then I will be writing value as a equal to 45, which is another string value, and in this string value I have written an integer value to get my constant working. Now I will be writing the count function here, and I will be now writing the value of a is. So now here the value of a was, means previously the value of a was 45, and now the value of a is, here we will be writing as a again to close this function. And now I will be writing s/constants, and now from here we will be starting the constants, and here we will be writing the value which was previously it was 45, and now what is the value of a we will be writing here. Now with the constant I will be writing the value will be as 3. In the string value I have written the value as 3 in a constant, and I will be closing this. Then we have to write the count function, in which I will be writing the value of a was, then a, and I will be ending this by writing this and l. Now here we have to write this a45, which is the value which we have written previously on, and now I will be writing here as you will get an error. So I will be writing you will get an error because it is a constant. And now we have to understand that why we will be getting an error when we are writing this a equal to 45 again in the constant value. I will be running it, and you'll be seeing that we'll be getting an error. You can see error is coming, and error is coming because we have written the same value 2 times. Like first of all, we have written this value with a string. Here you can see with this a string, and secondly, the second which we have written this value, it is with constant. If you write this value with integer or with another string, so it will be not giving you an error. But if you're writing the same thing with a constant, So obviously it will be giving you error because constant does not prefer to write same thing again and again, and that's why we are getting error in this constant. So I hope you understand basically why we were getting an error here. If I remove this a equal to 45, so you'll be seeing that the result will be different because now we will be not getting any error here. So run this and you can just see the error we are getting still here is that because we have not written the value of a previously was, and that's why we are getting the error. If I show you, you can just see. So that's the thing which I want to show you, and I hope you understand that basically what are constant in C++. And now secondly, we have to understand that what are manipulator, which is the second thing in C++. So now here I've written the comment as manipulator in C++, so I can start with the manipulator, and you can also understand that previously we have understand about constant, and now we are starting with manipulators, and now we are understanding that what are manipulators in C++. So now we have to start with an integer value which I will be writing as a equal to 3. Then the second value which will be of b, it is also an integer value, and in this integer value I will be writing, means in this string value I will be writing an integer as 78, and the third string value I will be writing as integer 1233. So you can just see 3 integers we have written here, and now we will be writing here the value of a without set w is, and now the value without set w is a equal to endl. We will be ending this function here. Again we will be using the value of a without set w is, so I will be again writing same thing here and giving 2 times space and l, and now you have to just remove this a and write b here because we have written 3 strings. One is a, and a value we have defined already, and second is b, which we have defined here. And now in the end we have to just define our third value of count, which will be as the value. So I will be now writing the value of a without set w is, and the value without set w is here I will be writing as c, and then I will be writing endl to end this function, and this will be the third value. Again I will be writing the count value here. I will be writing the value of a is, previously the value without set w of a is a, which is the 3, and the second b1 is 78, and the c value will be as 1233. So these are the 3 values which we have defined. I will be writing endl as well because I'm getting an error here. Now we have to write the value as set w, and I will be writing here as 4. Then I will be writing first value as a, and I will be ending this function by writing this endl. And same I will be writing down here. I will be writing the value of a is again, but this time I will be writing the set w will be as 4, and here I will be writing the different value of b because we have written the 3 strings like you all know that a, b and c. And again I will be writing the value of a is, so I will be writing the value of a is again I will be using set w value of 4, but here I will be writing c, and I will be ending the function by writing this endl. So you can just see all the things has been done here, and now we have to just save this and we have to run. But before running that, we have to comment out this constant value, means this constant things, because we have learned about constant, so we don't have to run it again, and we will be now running this manipulator. So I will be running that, and you can just see we are getting a written error here which is showing us that. So I will be deleting all these things, and I will be just saving this file to run this again. And here if I just run, so you can just see now it is showing me the value without set w is 3, the value of a without set w is 78, and the value of a without set w is 1233. This is showing me different values. It is showing me 3 values because here I have written it shows me the value of a, and in a I have written the 3, so obviously it will be showing me 3 in a value. And in b string I have written the value of 78. You can also say it integer. So because of that it is showing me 78, because in b I have written 78, and in c I have written 1233, and that's why when I have written the value of c, means string of c, so that is why it is showing me 1233, which is an integer value I have written in the c string. So I hope you understand that how it is showing me, and this is called manipulators. So I hope you understand basically what are manipulators. And now the last thing which we will be understanding in this video will be of operator precedence. So now we have to understand that basically what are operator precedence in C++. So basically operator precedence is also the same thing, and for that also you have to use an integer value, or you can also use a string, like I am using a string, and in this a string I have written the value of 3. Here in b I will be writing the value of 4. Now I will be writing the integer of c, and here I will be writing a multiplied by 5, means I will be multiplying this 3 with 5, and after multiplying 3 with 5 I will be plussing it with the b value, and you all know that in b value I have written 4, so obviously it will be multiplying 3 with 5 and plussing it with 4, because in b I have written the value of 4. Now after doing that, I will be writing the integer value as c, and here I will be moving, and now here I will be multiplying this a value with 5, I will be adding it with b, and then I will be writing minus 45 and plus with 87. So these are the value which we have written. Close this and open bracket here again, because now we have close the bracket here, and now we have to write here count backslash c. Now just save this and you can just see these are operator precedence in C++. So I hope you understand that basically what are manipulators, what are operator precedence, and what are constants in C++. So these are the main things which you have to learn in C++ if you're building any project, if you're working on any project. So these are the main things which you have to learn. So I hope you understand that what are constant, manipulator, and operator precedence in C++. And if you have enjoyed this video and if you understand this project, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these amazing things using different languages. So just now what we are waiting for, I'll be moving on to the next video. So for today, goodbye.